Your product vision starts with concept. Concepts can take the form of sketches or formulas that dictate design requirements. But to turn your concept into reality, your design must be rationalized and engineered so it can be manufactured to known characteristics. To do this accurately and reliably, you need powerful, intuitive tools to engineer, validate, and document your work. You need Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk Inventor 3D mechanical design software offers an easy-to-use toolset for turning concepts into reality. Inventor is powerful and flexible, with parametric and free-form modeling toolsets, along with strong direct edit capabilities. Work and design how you want and maximize the value of data from virtually any 3D file format. Inventor helps you design and validate products before they're made. Built-in design accelerators allow you to generate more concept iterations, deliver better products, reduce development costs, and get to market faster. Generate models and drawings automatically with Inventor design automation tools. Focus on the function of intelligent components, while Inventor handles the geometry creation. Visualize and communicate real-world applications of your products from day one of the design process. Inventor's state-of-the-art visualization tools create stunning renderings of your products in the context of the environment they'll be used in. Autodesk Inventor helps you to create accurate drawings dramatically faster than traditional 2D methods. Generate engineering and manufacturing documentation directly from the digital prototype, helping you reduce errors and deliver designs in less time. Without the right tools, taking your design from its earliest conception into full-fledged production can be a difficult, complex, and expensive process. But now, with Autodesk Inventor, you can engineer and validate your design right with total flexibility, efficiency, and accuracy. Design more, engineer it better, finish the job faster with Autodesk Inventor. We give you the tools, but you take them to the next level.